You know what? After a month that felt never ending, I finally took a day off and went to the spa. Whew, I didn't realize how much I needed that.
Ugh, I hear you. The last time I went, it felt like someone pressed the reset button on my brain. No phone, no noise, just me relaxing. It was heaven.
Exactly. I could feel the stress go away as soon as I walked in. The soft music, the warm lights, the smell of those oils. It just told my brain, okay, time to chill.
It's crazy how your body just knows. I remember sitting in the steam room thinking, why don't I do this more often? But then work piles up and, well, life gets in the way.
I always wait until I'm completely burned out. This time, I told myself, nope, I'm booking the next visit before things get too busy.
Good plan. We should all do that. Make it part of the routine instead of a last minute escape. It's like topping up your energy tank before it runs dry.
Totally. When I take time to switch off, I come back with a clear head. After my last spa day, even my hardest tasks didn't seem so bad anymore.
Exactly. Sometimes when I stop thinking about work, that's when ideas just pop up. It's like my brain fixes itself when I'm not looking.
I love that. And honestly, it doesn't have to be a fancy spa every time. Even a quiet cup of tea, a short walk, or a nap does wonders.
Yes, little things like that keep us going. Life feels a lot lighter when we take time to breathe.
Couldn't agree more. Here's to slowing down once in a while.
Cheers to that.